right, today we're going to bring a nail drill machine, and this is a great thing for women that want to do self manicures or pedicures. This is great. There's a little the setup that you have to do, so we're going to take a look at it and see how it works. Not only that, I actually got this for another reason. I'm into hobby making, into 3D printing, and you got to take out some of the actual extra excessive PLA. This is a great way to do it too, not just nails but also for hobbyists out there. And we're going to take a look at it and see how it works. First of all, what you guys can see, they give you the entire unit, including the drill bits, diamond bit drill cuts, and then also the actual extra sanding. All right, if you guys can see that, not that many drill bits, but that's all you necessarily need. Type C connection, drill bit cover, and the drill bit system itself. If you guys can see, look at this. This is a size of an actual pan, very petite, very small. The drill bit heads go here, and that's pretty much how you remove them. Lock right here, mechanism, lock and unlock. Of course, unlock is on here, so you want to remove it. There it is, and it removes. Easy as that. Right now they use this as a template, so you can see it, locking it in. Now it connects from here to the actual base, the motor system, the actual drill makes the whole thing set up. Now there's no battery necessary, they're built in here, and you're gonna need to actually charge it up. And this is the unit itself. It has a pocket holder, so you can put it, a clip holder, put it in your actual belt or around your hip. And then you got your controller, your plus and minus, very simple. And then reverse and on and off and stop and pause. All right, the very simple, easy to use. We're gonna plug it in right now, and if you guys can see, you charge it from here, type A or type C, either one. We're gonna go and plug it in and see how fast we could get this to going and see how to use this. Now, to find the actual drill bit system, it's in here, the actual cord, the extension that you need. Let's go ahead and try it out, and I'm going to show you something that I use it for before we actually use it for nails. So it's very simple. You plug in one side, you grab the other end, and you plug it in, and then to turn it on, you just hold on the power button, and it's an LED display screen, fully charged. You want to start doing it, start drilling it. You could hear it. There it is. You could hear it. We're 14. Maximum level is 35 RPMs per second. So you could hear it. And let's see if we could feel it. I don't have any drill bits, but I'm just showing you how fast it's going right now. Very simple. So let's go ahead and put this to use on two different items, so you can see what I use it for and what women can use it for too. So as a hobbyist, if you guys can see, there's a lot of imperfections on my 3Ds that I print. Normally when I print them, they're not the greatest. You got to make sure. I always spray them sometimes, but then you can see all the imperfections that they do. I use this machine for that. So I get the drill bits a lot and I use them a lot. So I start with the actual thinnest one and move my way up. So let's go ahead and open it up. All right, like for example here, for hobbyists that are going to use this is perfect. Get rid of some of the excessive. I'm gonna turn it a little bit higher, stronger. And then here, if you guys can see the flat base, get rid of that. And underneath is the hardest part right here. Underneath, if you guys can see that part right here, you see that? Get rid of that. Make the line even better. Simple. So if you're gonna 3D print stuff, this is a great tool to have. One of the best tools to use. This helps me out when I have to cut out a couple things, smooth out the vents. Let me show you how the other sandpaper works, the sandpaper. All right, so let's go ahead and do that. And smooth out some of the back end. Turn it at 20 to 18, somewhere on there. See that? Smooth it out. Smooth it out. Look at that. beautiful smooth. Smoothing out. And then you could, like I said, smooth the bottom of it. Smooth it out. Easy. Simple. Smoothing the whole thing out. Very simple to use. So if you could use this on a hobby 3D print, you could use it on your nails. So I hope you guys enjoy the video.